How you doing? So in this video, I'm doing part 3 of business cards on Photoshop, which is the last one. If you want to see part 3 of Illustrator, click over that video over there, over that pop-up over there. And also it's the last one, so go check it out. And in the Adobe Illustrator last one, I did a vertical business card. So I thought I must do vertical over here. So today's business card is for a fashion designer, someone who designs fashion clothes and wear this and shoes and all wear and bags and all this type of things. Fashion designer. He's very professional. He's very luxurious, you know what I'm saying? And his name is JOVINI. Did I get it right? JOVINI. Right. Nevertheless, let us jump on it and let us do it. Come on. Let me first throw in a background, like a solid color, and I'm gonna give it a greenish. I wanna do this, watch this, I'm gonna do this luxurious green, like this one, like right here, look at that. Then I'm gonna say, all caps, JOVINI, double click, make it bigger. And you know what? I have an idea. I want to put it, where is it? I want to put this font, this amazing font. I got an idea. I'm going to show you. Where is it? There it is. Variety Killer. It's a good font. I'm going to take this font, make it big one more time. Use the move tool, Control T, and then I would just stretch it out to just, you know, fill up the whole card. And that's it. Click commit. And I would like to make it white, even though it looks good now. I think I would make two of them. I'll make a black one and a white one. But for now, I'll just make it white. Double click on the layers. Over here, and make it white. Then let it go. Kaboom. You see that? Beautiful. And then go do solid color. Click on that one, sample it. And then again, let's do text. And then we're gonna do smaller this time. JOVINI again. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make it this time. I'm gonna squish it a bit. I feel like it's too long. Squish it. And then let it go. Let it go. Click duplicate it. And then over here, we're gonna say this his slogan. No fear design. Very small. Very small. Very small. To kind of cover the same sort of size with that one. Click both of this again. Control A. And then center all of them like that. Control D to deselect. I'll put in some text and group them. And on the group, I want to make all this text white. So I'm going to do color overlay, white. And then in the group, in the group, select all of them. Go to the paragraphs panel, align them to left like that. Good. And I'll tell you what else I want to do, because this time I don't want to use any icons. Okay. I'm gonna click this and bring it closer, or even closer like that. Select them and then distribute like that. Good. So we're gonna take all of this, put it here. I'll show you why in a second. I wanna put a QR code in here. Take JOVINI, duplicate JOVINI, bring him down here. Control T, and then make him very large, like very, very large, like that large. And now let's import other icons like social media icons and stuff like that. There we go. Control T. Make him small, 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 small. And bring him over everything. Then we can make the group color overlay white. No, black is fine. Move one or the other like that. And then select all of them. Then distribute them. And also align them vertically. Control T. And then make him small. Then bring them down, down, down here. How about that? Rectangle 2. And go all over this. Okay? Then we're gonna make sure we go behind the group and then make it black. Not black, but white. White. Okay, zoom in. Then pull in the corners to make them rounded corners. Sort of like that. Stretch it a bit. Come over to the QR code. Control T. Make it small a bit. Not too much now, not too much. Place it here. Make it small. And maybe make it smaller. There you go. Put another rectangle or square behind it. Remove the stroke and make it white. Make it white, then put it behind it. Then align both of them. Then make the corners kind of rounded. There we go. So far, so good. On second thought, on this bottom icons over here, I want to do something. First, let me try this. I'm gonna try making this into this background color, so it's gonna look like it's a knockout. Almost. I don't like it. Let's go to the groups icon, and we're gonna do stroke. All right. Make the stroke 100% opacity. Make the stroke about 10, and then make the color of the stroke the background color, and then reduce the size one more time. And now I'm gonna do this killer move. Watch this. I'm gonna do this killer move. I'm gonna click both of this, okay, and then I'm gonna duplicate it, bring it this side on the front side. Maybe place it about center place, and then group it. Check this out. I'm gonna group it, and then I'm gonna put stroke, the same stroke with the background, and then watch this. Boom, watch that. I'll even pick it up to 5 this time. Click OK, and then Control T. I'll make it a bit smaller, a bit smaller, a bit smaller like that, because already this is taking over the amazingness of the design. I'll tell you what, how about we take all this amazing design, put it into mockups, and see how it looks like in real life, shall we? Wow, now that is amazing right there. That is very amazing. Now, if you want something like this, go ahead and book a service with me. The email is right on my channel. And if you consider me to work with someone else you know, go ahead and share this channel to them, share my stuff so they can see what I do. Nevertheless, there are a lot of videos just like this on my channel. Go ahead and scroll down and enjoy yourself. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in a squad.